Okay, so I have a problem with this car. It's been having this interesting kind of rattle, and I feel it in the steering wheel. And there was, during these videos, you will see the intermediary shaft assembly. There was one bolt at the very bottom that was a little bit loose, and I think it made it a little better. But still, when I'm going over tiny little bumps, it feels like something's loose in the front, and it is transmitted a little bit through the steering wheel, although there's no swaying side to side or whatnot. So surprisingly, even though the struts kind of looked, as you see with those boots, say some slightly bad condition there, it wasn't the struts. And this intermediary shaft, I mean, you can definitely hear that knocking, rattling, whatever you want to call it. It's not the shaft though. This is after I tighten the bolt. This was a pretty cool view. It just showed all the suspension working together. Couldn't hear any sounds from this video. Generally outdoor type exterior videos, I couldn't hear the sound I'm describing. It was more those intermediary shaft videos that give you the idea. Very cool footage, but once again, could not see any problems or hear any problems here in this clip. As you can see, there's really nothing super obvious in the engine compartment, although it did seem, especially on the reversing there, that the air filter was rattling. Now, of course, the inverter, the big silver box, is kind of covering the rest of the engine, so it makes sense I couldn't see that engine mount shake as much. But it seems to be something wrong with the engine mounts, because otherwise, I mean, why would it shake like that?